All right, hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to Bilbo's Marine. My name's Peter, and today I'm going to be talking shop tools with you. We're gonna give you a breakdown of the tools and why it's important. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe. Let's get into it. All right, so first and foremost, we have our Makita buffer. This is a dual action buffer. You can really find it anywhere. We got ours on Amazon. It's $415. We have the hand plate at the top off just because it's better gripping. We can get into tighter spaces. This is the best dual action orbital buffer we've found to get out a lot of swirls in the paint and defects in the paint, and this will give us the best product in our paint. Here we have our Lincoln Electric welder. It is a MIG welder, and it really just, if we break off any screws and we have to weld like a little nut on the back of it to draw them out, or just to weld any brackets, custom-made brackets that we need. It's really been a big help with the shop, and we bring it out quite often. This jack lift right here is how we get all our boats off the trailers to work on the bottoms and do our bottom painting. So this right here goes up and down, just like your standard tire jack. And then you just roll it and slide it right above your trailer, right under the boat. And then you come here and just jack it up. We have 4 of them, and then we'll do 2 in the back, 2 in the front, jack the whole boat up, and then we'll put them on these jack stands. These have helped us out tremendously. All right, this is a high-speed rotary buffer. This is what we use to compound and get all the oxidation off boats. Been using the Makitas for years. They're my favorite. They got a service factory right in Pompano. They do all the warranty work on them when they do break down, because we use them quite often. But they go very fast, 6 speeds on them. Highly recommend. Change out the pads, wool, yellow or white. Yellow's for polishing. It's got the nice rubber grip on it. It's the 9005s. Highly recommend the Makita high-speed buffer. All right, guys, those are just some tools that we use on a daily basis to really provide the quality experience and production that we do here at Bilbo's. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, comment if you guys want us to do a video about anything, and we'll get it done.